If you've been searching for Halsten Stride reviews, you're probably wondering whether this red light therapy belt is a legitimate solution for hip pain or just another product with big promises. In this video, we'll take a look at what the company claims, what real customers are saying, and some important red flags you should know before spending your money. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. According to the official website, Halsten Stride is a red light therapy device designed specifically for menopausal women experiencing hip pain. The company claims that reduced estrogen levels can contribute to gluteal tendinopathy, leading to pain, poor sleep, and reduced mobility. It promotes the belt as a clinically proven solution that can help users sleep better, move with confidence, and enjoy daily life again through red light therapy. However, it's important to look beyond the marketing claims and see what actual buyers have experienced. While there is one positive review from a customer who reported noticeable pain relief after only a couple of uses, the majority of publicly available reviews raise serious concerns about the overall buying experience. Many customers claim the product they received did not match the images shown on the website. Some said the belt looked cheaper than advertised, arrived without instructions, or was missing accessories that were expected. Several buyers also mentioned they were unable to use the device properly because there was no clear guidance included in the package. The biggest concern involves the company's refund policy. Multiple customers said that although the website advertises a 90-day money-back guarantee, getting a full refund was extremely difficult. Instead of honoring the policy, some reviewers said they were repeatedly offered only partial refunds of 30 to 40%. Others reported being told to return the product to China at their own expense, making the refund process costly and inconvenient. There were also complaints about delayed responses from customer support and even reports of duplicate charges or unwanted additional orders. Based on the available information, Halsten Stride does have at least one satisfied customer, but a much larger number of reviews focus on refund issues, product quality, and customer service problems rather than positive results. If you're considering buying this device, it's a good idea to research carefully, read the latest customer feedback, and make sure you're comfortable with the return policy before placing an order. As always, if you're dealing with ongoing hip pain, consulting a qualified healthcare professional is the safest approach before relying on any device that makes therapeutic claims.